How to turn on end-to-end encrypted backup on WhatsApp on iPhone. First, open the WhatsApp app on your iPhone. Now, tap Settings in the bottom right corner. Next, tap Chats, and then select Chat Backup. Here, you'll find the option called End-to-End Encrypted Backup. Tap on it. Now, tap Turn On to start setting up your encrypted backup. WhatsApp will give you the option to secure your backup with a password or, depending on your WhatsApp version, an encryption key or another supported method. If you choose a password, create a strong password that you can remember, because you'll need it if you ever need to restore your encrypted backup. Enter the password again to confirm it, then tap Create or Next to continue. WhatsApp will now enable end-to-end encryption for your backups. Once it's turned on, your WhatsApp backup stored in iCloud will have an additional layer of protection. And WhatsApp says that even WhatsApp and your backup provider cannot read the encrypted backup. And that's how you can turn on end-to-end encrypted backup on WhatsApp on your iPhone. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.